Join us in this video as we demonstrate how to settle a bill and handle a group checkout. Click on the Group Checkout button in the navigation bar. Take the checkbox beside the room number in the list to choose multiple rooms for checkout. Multiple rooms are now chosen for checkout. Click on the Group Checkout button to initiate the checkout process for selected rooms. Select the checkbox next to Room Rent in the bill to apply charges. Then, the CGST and SGST options are marked for the bill. Click the Bill button to confirm and finalize the charges on your bill. Click on the checkbox to select the bill for settlement. Enter the cash amount received in the Cash field of the bill settlement form. Click on the Update Settlement button to process the payment. The bill has been generated for the group checkout process. The process for group checkouts has now been completed and checked out successfully.